What's up, guys? It's Manipur Shut Up again, and I will be doing part 2. So, we spun the spinner, or whatever you want to call it, and it landed on me and Nicholas Jewel. So, we're gonna face right now. You only get 3 shots, and let's go.
Mom, look at that. Mom.
No, you only get 3, so. Okay, just hook it in. 3, 2, 1. Wait. Go. Oh wow, I wasn't even loaded. Oh shoot.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh, you missed.
Oh!
You missed.
That's 3 shots. Now I just have to dodge. Dun-dun-dun.
You didn't hit him. You only hit him.
Ooh, a gun. I said 3 shots. I didn't say you could switch. I did say you could switch guns. I did say you. I didn't.
Beep, beep. Nick shot him once, we got 1 on you.
Ah, I got hit. You skimmed me. Nicholas is the winner.
Yeah! That was me.
And I'm out. Wait.